Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore electric washer and dryer matching set, and I want to show you, as if you were standing here yourself trying it out, that everything works perfectly. The washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. That's everything electrical, mechanical, everything that I can possibly test gets tested, and then I run a few loads through them. So real quick on this washer, go ahead and pull this out. See, it's bringing in the water just fine. Everything's nice and clean. These two are in like new condition. Plenty of options here. So you've got a reset switch, and you can set it from small all the way up to large. So that's adjustable, auto temperature, or you can set it to whatever temperature you want. Second rinse option, and then you can actually control the speed of the motor, which is excellent for delicates. So if you've got something real delicate that can't have a lot of force from that agitator on it, or if you're the construction worker, you can set it to fast, and your clothes are definitely going to get clean. And a couple different options here. So I'm going to let this fill up, and I'll show you that it in fact agitates, drains, and then you'll get to listen and see the final spin cycle as well. So we'll come back for that. Alright, we're back for the agitation here. Now the safety switch is going to shut it down. It's a safety thing. But essentially this guy is supposed to move freely one direction, not back the other direction. That's how you know your agitator works correctly. If it spun freely both ways, no matter which way you spun it, just spun freely, then this is broken. So something good to know. But you can hear it on fast. Don't mind the bug flying around. And you can also switch it down to slow, so you get a real slow agitation. Like I said, for those delicates. Okay, and while that washer is going through its cycle, I lifted a lid because it was kind of loud for even being able to hear this dryer. It's so quiet. But it is running right now, so got it on time dry, high heat, and you've got adjustable heat options here. Also for those delicates, which is great. You also have the auto moisture sensing, which is your auto, so you can just put it on more dry, normal dry, less dry, depending on whatever you're drying. So towels, pop it here and just walk away from it and it'll be done. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So in between my two red dots there, that's where you're going to get your temperature measurement. So you can see the difference between the floor and the top of the dryer there. So we'll open this up, and right inside the heating element tube, we're going to shoot that. Plenty of heat coming out of there. That in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer anywhere from 95 up to 195. Just depends on what you have that heat setting at. So you can see that that is heating perfectly, and that it sounds great. Nice smooth operation, no thumping or bumping or anything like that. All things you check for. So we'll return for the washer's final spin cycle. Alright, and we're on the final spin for the washer. You can hear it's draining out that water perfectly. I'm going to let this get up to full speed so you can see it, hear it. And then we'll open this lid, which will stop it. And it actually stops pretty fast, which is a great safety mechanism, especially if you have kids. But that way you can see that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. So we'll give that just a couple minutes. Alright, and we're back full speed on the spin cycle. So I'm going to go ahead and lift this up. There you go. Comes to a stop nice and fast. And you can also see that it was spinning nice and fast and even. This will also control the spin speed as well. Alright, that's it. You guys know now that when you take them home, plug them in, everything's going to work great. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. You guys have a great day. Thank you.